If you're one of the many people who use Spotify to listen to music, you might want to know how to change your profile picture on the app. It's actually really easy to do and only takes a few simple steps. In this video, I will show you how to do it on your phone. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Spotify app, and then, once you are on the homepage of Spotify, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings screen, tap on your name to view your profile. And then tap on Edit Profile. So now you have the option to change your profile photo. Simply tap on Change Photo, and then you can choose a photo from your gallery or you can take a photo right now. So go ahead and select whichever one you like. I'm simply going to choose a photo from my gallery. Let's pick something random from the recent images. Then you can crop this photo to your liking. After that, tap on Use Photo, and then simply tap on Save at the top right corner of the screen to change your profile picture on Spotify Mobile. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.